Okay, so we're going to start our second day for 7.3, which is products and factors of polynomials. We're going to divide polynomials using long division. Yes, we're going to do some of that stuff that you had done way back in elementary school. And then we're going to continue with this factor theorem, which you actually saw in your previous videos, so it's good reading. We're going to go ahead and here's the definition. This guy, if and only if, that's what IFF stands for. So we've seen this before. It's a slightly different. It's written in a slightly different way. And basically it says if x minus r is a factor, like x minus 4, right, is a factor of a polynomial expression, that defines the function p. Okay? If and only if r is a solution of the actual function. So what does this mean? It means that if we plug in r, let's say we'll use this, so p of 4, then it's going to equal 0. If that happens, then yes, it's a factor. Okay? So that's what this factor theorem states. Do a quick example. We're going to use substitution to determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of this equation. Okay? So we don't have to bother factoring it. All we need to determine is if the equation, right, x minus 1, x minus r was what was in the definition, p of r, so that means we're going to use p of 1, right? Okay, we're going to plug it into the equation. So 1 cubed minus 1 squared minus 5 times 1 minus 3. Oh, 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is negative 8. This is not equal to 0. So therefore, 3 little dots is therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay? So if it equals 0, though, the x minus 1 definitely is a factor. And that's our factor theorem. We saw it in the previous day's work. This is just a good review for it.